Well, hello there everybody, welcome back to another Joey Saves video. Today we're going to be talking about losing my muffin top on a mountaintop. Now I'm so stoked to be dropping this video. I was up in the mountains when I recorded this video. I was just on vacation this last week. And yes, that is me right there with the towel over my shoulder for some reason. And for some reason, my girlfriend just wanted to film the back of my head and oh god, look at my hair, Jesus. Oh, that's a big smile because you can't see my head. Alright, look at this beautiful scenery. This is actually where we're going to be shooting our film today. Okay? This river was so cool, this little lake thing. It was straight from the top of the mountain. All the runoff from the water was coming down there. It was fresh water. We drank some of that water. It was ice cold. Okay, here is me working out. Now we're going to start out with 50 jumping jacks. Look at that face. Oh my god, I'm so tired, man. This is like 8 in the morning, 7 in the morning, something early. Everyone was sleeping, but I just decided, hey, you know what? This is a great time to go out and record a YouTube video, so why not? So I got up, threw all my stuff on because it was about 60 degrees outside. That water was icy cold. Nobody else at the campsite was out and about, but I figured, you know what? Let's shoot my video right now. So to start off this workout, we're going to start with 50 jumping jacks to warm up. And oh my god, it is actually kind of boring watching myself do jumping jacks for this long. Okay, cool. Finally, now we're into the next part. We're going to do 10 burpees. Okay, we're still warming up. 10 burpees. All right. I think that was 3, 4. Yeah, there we go, Joey. There we go. 5. Okay, we're almost done. 6. Man, look at those beautiful, beautiful mountains and trees behind me. 7. There we go. Almost done. There we go. 8. Come on. Come on. 9. Last one. Easy. Easy. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. 10. Oh, shoot. I was off. 10. All right. Well, gotta wash off my hands because those burpees in the mud. Not a very good combo, guys. But that water was, oh my goodness, it was so fresh. Okay, jumping into the workout. Here we go. 20 seconds on. We're going to be starting with Russian twists. Now, if these become too easy, you can go ahead and hold something in your hands like a dumbbell or a medicine ball or something that weighs anything. Now, these Russian twists are amazing because it's going to burn everything in your core. You're going to be working the center of your core, the bottom of your core, the top of your core, and your obliques. Wow, what the heck was that, dude? Honestly, what was that? Well, at least I was sitting on a towel because I didn't want to get everything all dirty for you guys. But if you like the effort, please go ahead. Just leave a like right now, you know, if you got time. Oh, look at that effort, man. Okay, so 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off when it comes to these little exercises. This one right here is called iron butterflies. I actually got this one from Brandon Carter. Shout out to Brandon Carter. If you ever see this, I don't know why you would, but cool. All right, let's take a break. Dang, no, put your tongue back away, bro. Come on. All right. We're taking it easy. We're just kicking it for 10 seconds. Enjoy this little rest. All right. Here we go. All right. Ooh, hands behind the head. All right, leg flutters for 20 seconds, guys. Leg flutters for 20. Oh. Also, if it's too hard, put your hands under your butt. There you go. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. It's easy as that. 20 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. You're going to feel this one in your belly. Oh, my goodness. This is going to burn the belly fat right off your body, man. You're going to be so sore tomorrow. Your abs are going to be popping out. Okay. Wow. Okay. I think the hands under my butt was a little too easy for me, but if you guys need it, oh, I guess not. Look at that face. Wow. Dude, what are you looking at? What? Stop touching yourself, bro. You ain't got abs. Let's go. Come on. All right. Chill out for 10 seconds. A little 10-second break. There we go. Okay. Oh, leg lifts. Here we go. This one is nuts. Okay, if this gets too hard again, put your hands under your butt. You are definitely going to feel this in the lower abs as well as the upper abs. Lower abs right there, upper abs right there. Lower abs right there, upper abs right there. Boom. And keep it going. Easy. We're almost done. Workout is almost done. Wow, look at that. What's going on, bro? Alright, so I hope you liked that video. If you did like that video, I had a great time filming it and being up in the mountains. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. Like this video, comment down below. Yeah, let me give me some space right there. Boom. Now I can add the 2 videos that you can watch right now. Okay, watch one of these 2 videos. I highly recommend both of them, but you can only watch one of them at a time. I'll see you next video.